Welcome to part 2 of my Harley Bobber build. In this part we are going to take off all the bits and pieces that really won't be going back on the bike. We're going to start by taking the seat off. We will then take the battery out, take off the front mudguard, take the highway pegs off and the rear foot pegs. We will also get the rear number plate off, and hopefully that will do us for this part. That's the battery out. Now onto the front fender. Once you get these things started, they normally come quite well, because this bike's so old and hasn't seen any maintenance in such a long time. Everything is just really hard to get off. There we go. That's that done. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is take off this bottom belt guard, and then I may look at this exhaust strut here and take that off. I don't know as yet if I'm going to keep the original exhaust that were on it or get something a wee bit different, so I may not need this, but to be honest this all needs cleaned up anyway, so I'm going to take it off. Just the last screw to go here. There we are. I think I've used more cans of WD-40 screws in this bike than I have in my whole lifetime. I've got one more bolt to take out here, and this should loosen up that whole exhaust bracket. There we go. As you can see, that has cleaned up the whole bottom area here by taking off this belt guard and the exhaust connector, which just sat in here. It's cleaned up this whole bottom end, makes that look a lot cleaner. So we're starting to take shape. That's the end of part 2, and in part 3 I will be working more on the handlebar area, taking them off, getting the dials off, raising the tank, and probably trying to take off the back fender as well. So I hope you enjoyed part 2, and I hope to see you for part 3.